Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sai and today I'm in Phuket. I'm at ตลาดหาดลาวัย or Rawai Beach. Now, why this market is special is because you can get fresh ingredient over here and then they will cook for you fresh, like out from the sea, like everything is alive. Just like that lobster are fighting in that tank right there. So they have different price, but I think lobster and that of course they sell by kilo. And there's a shop around, they separate the section into two sections, one mainly for the live ingredient and one for the kitchen. And then you buy the ingredient, the fresh ingredient, and you send to another restaurant that they will cook for you, like each shop different, like 75 baht per kilo. So there's two type of lobster. This lobster is like, whoa, colorful lobster. This is 2,500 baht per kilo, and this one 2,200 baht per kilo. We were prawn over there, and I think they oh, what is that? กั้งภาษาอังกฤษเรียกว่าอะไรคะ Mankish shrimp, that one. Wow, I never see like that size. ไม่เคยเห็นตัวใหญ่ขนาดนี้ That's a mud crab. Oh, look at that river prawn. Okay, they all very fresh. Look at that giant lobster. This is like fresh up from here. All right, we keep looking for the ingredient, guys. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the one that already did. Oh wow, that's the first time I saw this type of lobster in Thailand.
อันนี้มังกรออสเตรเลีย
Oh, this Australia lobster. อันนี้โลเท่าไหร่คะ
อันนี้โล2,200เองค่ะ
2,200ทุกร้านนั้นล่ะคะ
อันนั้นโลขายเป็นตัวละ
1,500 baht each, and this one 2,200.
ถ้าอันนี้ก็กิโล 2,000
Oh, okay, it gets cheaper as you walk in. This one 2,000 baht per kilo.
but this one not kilo
Oh, per each.
not this one
ต่อตัวใช่ไหมคะ
ไม่1 kilo this one 1,000 baht.
Oh, this one 1,000 baht per last size. Wow.
have 7 color also 7 color
7 color.
and this one small size and big size
ว้า อันนี้ตัวเท่าไหร่คะอันนี้
กิโล 3,500 ให้กิโล 3,000
Okay, this one 3,500, but she give me discount 3,000.
this one not kilo this one I think about 800 gram
Oh, okay, 800 gram. 2,400 baht that one. Good price. That's one good price.
อันนี้เนื้อเยอะมาก
Just like a lot of meat. Wow. And over here, there's already like dead session, but still fresh. อันนี้คือเอามาน็อกน้ำแข็งเอาไว้ใช่ไหมคะ So this one they get like it alive and then put ice for it to be like pass out.
เวลาพอตั้มหนูก็บอกว่าไม่รู้ไม่ต้องเดี๋ยวมานั่งแน่นอนครับผม 10% discount for you today.
So over here is a kitchen. You buy over there.
Yeah.
Cook here.
Yeah.
75 baht per half of kilo. 100 baht per
10%
kilo.
discount ก็เหลือเมนูละ68 บาทครับ
Ah, 68 baht per menu.
Yes, sir. คือด้านหน้าในร้านน้องชายผมเองครับ
Ah, his brother shop over here. This is like a giant lobster. Look at this side. ใหญ่มาก ถ้าอย่างนี้โลละ 3,000 ใช่ไหมคะ 3,000 baht per kilo. ตัวนี้2 โลกว่า Well, this one will be like 6, 7, 8,000 baht. สวัสดีค่ะ
อันนี้แบบเสียชีวิตใหม่ๆเลย
เอ้า
ที่ตัว 1,500 เมื่อกี้ตายแล้ว
That one just died. That one I touched. อันนี้ตัวเท่าไหร่คะ
อันนี้ขายตัว600 บาท
600 บาท 600 บาท
ก็ตายแล้วราคาเขาอย่างนั้นแหละ
อ่า
ถ้าเป็นชีวิตก็ 1,500
อันนี้ 600 baht.
ค่ะ
This one 600 baht. The dead one. 80 baht for this oyster. I'll get one oyster, one lobster,
แม
and
งดาไหมแมงดาไข่ก็มีนะคะ
oh stingray. ไม่เคยทานเลยค่ะ I never tried the stingray before. That's like you eat the egg of it and make a salad. และอันนี้คือตัวเท่าไหร่คะ
อันนี้ก้างกระดานจากกระดานนี่โล750
Look at this.
เป็นตัวก็ได้
ภาษาอังกฤษเรียกอะไรคะ
ร็อกเตอร์
Rock lobster. This one 600, but when it's alive 1,500 baht. So อันนี้ค่ะแล้วก็I'll get one oyster. I'll get 2 oyster. 80 baht for this one. You choose the size. Good size. Today seafood at Amatna Seafood. Look at that Thai people price.
I open for you, okay?
Okay, okay. Oh, she's gonna go open for us. Let's go have a look. Alive. เป็นเลยเหรอคะ
ครับผม
Oh, still alive. Look at that. Wow. Ôi. Ôi. 80 baht, that's amazing. That's like perfect like price. Okay, thank you. Get some of this, a few of this. Tiger prawn. This one tiger prawn.
This one king prawn.
Ah, king tiger prawn.
And this one tiger prawn. This
Ah.
one king prawn.
Oh.
Same, you look this.
Oh, not same.
One.
เอาตัวหนึ่งจ้ะ อันนี้ตัวเท่าไหร่คะ
เอาตัวไหนคะ
This one. Yeah. I'll get that one. 20 บาท อันนี้เขาเรียกว่าปลาอะไรคะ
ปลากล้วยญี่ปุ่น
ภาษาอังกฤษค่ะ
ปลาแล้วนะครับฟิตไหม
This one called ปลากล้วยญี่ปุ่น It's like direct transfer. It's like Japanese banana fish. Good for fry. Just tell her that what you feel like you want to steam or fry. She will go get it for you. 1,340 1,340 baht. นี่ค่ะ And this is what I get. So let's go find some restaurant that will cook this one up for us. Look at this mobile that you can get for your house. Now, I asked the local before I come here, which place should I go cook it up for us? And she said, Mukmani. สวัสดีค่ะ นี่ค่ะ Let's see how much it's gonna cost for them to cook for us. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ ค่ะ
ทั้งหมด1กิโลครึ่งค่ะทำได้2เมนู
175 175 baht 2 menu. For the oyster, it's 15 baht each. Then you will get the sauce and the vegetable side. They charge you 15 baht each. For the price all total is 175 baht, and you can cook 2 menu if you want. That means grill or boil. But because we have 3 ingredients that we want them to cook for us, then that will be another, the third dish will be 75 baht plus. Let me go work it out how I want to cook this one.
Now that's for sure. He's just caught something and he come and sell it to the restaurant, to the shop. And go and get his trap. There's a local uncle over there.
Our grilled lobster is here. What? ขอบคุณค่ะ Yes. Now, look at that. The lobsters, the tiger shrimps, king shrimps, the banana fish, and the oyster. Now, taste test. They said Mukmani know how to cook their food. We'll see if they really do. I'm gonna start up with the oyster first. Now, this is like oyster Thai style. We have our oyster with chili paste, deep fried garlic or shallot, or you can use just lime and garlic and that. And this is like a must called katin or seafood sauce. Look at this size, 80 baht. I mean, guys, I live in Thailand. I recommend 80 baht reasonable price. The cheapest was 60 baht. 80 baht beachfront reasonable price. Let's try. I'm gonna go full Thai style with chili sauce, and then a little bit of seafood sauce on top, like that. Now this, look at that, shallot. Okay, a little bit of lime. Cheers, guys. See if I can slurp all this. Guys, real fresh, very crispy. This is Surat oyster. They're plump, juicy, sweet, crispy, but not like milky creamy. You won't get that. Very nice. Next is the tiger shrimps and king shrimps. I don't know which is which. They're all the same color to me, but look at that size. Come on. I'm gonna peel this up, and we're gonna go with the dipping sauce, Thai seafood sauce. Look at that. Okay, try this. One bite. Bouncy meat. They did like sauce right, just right, not too spicy. But guys, recommend 10 out of 10. Come here, get your food, and cook it fresh over here. Now, I'm gonna try this one first before I go for the last lobster. I wanna try the banana fish. I'm gonna go search it for the claw. So they asked if you wanna steam, or you wanna boil, or you wanna deep fry. Just tell them the dish and she will pick the best fish for you. Alright? And I serve with, this is like fish sauce, salad. But this is supposed to be mango, but it does look like papaya. But anyway, either way it's fine by me. Let's test just guys. Wow. Perfect. They have soft texture, very fluffy. Now, this fish is amazing. The salad is amazing. Let's try lobster. I want to use my hand. I want to try itself first without the sauce, because I think this is my first time eating lobster. Texture is more chewy in this one, but it has that unique taste. It's like a little bit salty, like you can taste the ocean. Now, with this, I prefer with this one. I think the best way to cook oyster is with butter and garlic. Look at this. My first time open this. I don't know how, but I don't know. Shake it or what? I think you can screw it up. Okay. Wow. I never eat this like thing this big before. What is this? It's like the yellow stuff, the orange stuff is like chewy, fresh, very like ocean taste. Oh my god. 10 out of 10 guys. I recommend. Now we're gonna eat that was 1,700 baht, worked out to $49. They delivered the fresh fruit. Oh wow, guys. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Upcoming video, everyone, get ready for the mouth-watering treat in our next video as we dive into the world of English breakfast classic. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the sizzling sausage, golden crispy hash brown, and more. Stay tuned for next English breakfast delight by the waterfall. Or click here to watch the full video.